Guys, I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I am going to make a house with this stuff. See this? All this stuff is going to be my equipment to making this. See? Making this house to live in for a night. Maybe two. But I already have tuna fish. Don't really like the tuna fish that much. Only if it has babies. But anyway. By the way, I am trying to get some sticks. It's difficult. There's not that many sticks. Oh, fine. But use this. Axe in hand. Dang. I think I can do it. This stuff is the best. Sweating so much, dude. Okay. Burn, baby, burn. Let's go the funnel, burn, baby, run. Let's go the funnel. Bum, 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 bum. Just so you know, I put bug spray. Secondary sticks. Just so you know, these are dead sticks that I found off the ground. Aha! Another one. Another. Ah! What was that? Dude, I swear that was some. We swear. Just trying to make a house to live in for the night. Cut in half. Cream right down. Ugh. Looks like a tiny tree that fell down. Yeah. Pretty nice. So you know, I have a hammer just in case any person comes over. Yeah, I swear, I think Dia's gonna be right home. Dude, I am sweating bricks right now. feel like I'm like those big AI Bigfoot videos. What's up, chat? Yo, W's in the chat or something like that. Yo, are we cooked, chat? Yo, the government's coming after me. But you know, Bigfoot. Big, huge, and beefy. I think built different, I think. I didn't bring any water to clean off my axe just in case. But I think my spit will do. This one's kind of hard to. God. Hold one more. Aha! Don't know where the pick is. Over here. Oh no. Looks like it's bending. What the heck was that? Oh, yeah. It's looking perfect, doesn't it? Dude, I'm sweating bricks right now. Okay, I'm gonna go find some baby sticks to probably complete this. Almost. I had the perfect idea of just. Okay, my mom and dad knows all about this. About how coming out here and this. You know? Yo, dude, you can see me swimming. Just go the phone, burn, baby, burn. Yo, chat, is it good? Oh. I don't know why. I'm not kidding you. I feel like that. Let me think. Ow. Perfect. Let me go back. Just so you know, I'm actually gonna spend the night. But My mom says it was a bad idea. Do you know what my dad said? Good idea. It was showing me how manly I am. How manly I am. I can handle sweating, but I can't handle bugs like 24/7. Literally 24/7. I forgot water. The bad part, the good part, actually, the good part is that why did I put it like that? That was so stupid. Why did I put it? One perfect clean swing. That shows you how sharp my axe is. Oh my god. No. What's going on? And I say, hey. I say, hey, what's going on? What? So many bugs. Wait. No dude. Chat, do you think that's good? Do you think that's good? No, I think I need to do the other side. Hey. Did I just... Whoa, what the heck was that? Felt like a deep E right there. Zoom. I can't even bring my dog on a walk with these woods. There's always a fox or a deer. And I'm like, Bud, stop chasing the deer. It's not food. I said, hey. Oh, he's the boy. Perfect. My house is coming along just fine. Ba, ba, ba. I said, hey, what's going on? Oh. Oh. Mm-hmm. I think I'm probably gonna make like a little campfire. Boom. Perfect little hut. Spring rolling back on that tree. That's a spider. Oh my god. There's another one on my bag. Ugh. I think that's the end for the video. Guys, that's it for the video. I'm gonna probably make a part 2. Gonna actually stay in it. Don't know if I'm gonna actually will be staying in it, but still, I'm probably gonna make like a 3 part of this. Make it be maybe a 5 part of this. Or just spend like 5 days, but I'm gonna spend probably just gonna spend 4 days because this is the first part, and then the second part's gonna be me just like just spending the night. Probably gonna come back here at the middle of the night. That's it for the video, guys.